mostly sunny skies. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 83 at Lexington, 87 at Paducah, 88 at Evansville, and 87 at Bloomington. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 84 at Covington, 87 at Bowling Green, 88 at Nashville, and 86 at Indianapolis. At Frankfurt, the weather conditions were not available. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 3:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2.
Yo!
And the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the weather and or hazards in south-central
Record wiki test on the
Kentucky.
first one finally get the record wiki test. Let's go!
Every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south-central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north-central Kentucky, Wood, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.
2008 model, by the way. 2008 model.
Weather outlook. Issued at 3:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:44 a.m.
Let's go! My first one finally got it. Let's go! 2008 model. 2008 model. Finally got this. Let's go. 2008 model. Let's go!